The next app on the list is sleep. So this app shows you how long did you sleep last night. My data shows that I've slept almost 11 hours. Just to explain myself, I'm a little bit sick, as you can probably hear from my voice. So that's why I slept so long. Of course, I don't sleep 11 hours every day. That would be ludicrous. But just to show you how this looks like, so you have a basic data here about your sleep, deep sleep, light sleep, wake ups. You have also here data during the day, and you have the settings. If you go to settings, you have advanced monitoring, which is turned off. You can turn it on, and it says here when the feature is turned on, your device will track your REM sleep. So if you need that, you can turn that on. Also, you have here breathing score, so you can turn that on too. Now, if you go back to the app, tap on the devices, you can go here to sleep, tap on it, and you have same options here. So advanced monitoring and breathing score. So you can turn that with the app too. But if you go to the health here is all of your data and statistics. So you can tap here to see a little bit more about your sleep and heart rate and so on.